The miracle written in the camel's genes would leave even the greatest human minds astonished. It's the desert, that harsh world where the sun burns like no other. Here, nature's law is death. Everything that tries to live here is punished by hunger, by thirst, by the storms. Everything except one creature. A living masterpiece that walks on 2 feet of miracle, the camel. To understand this creature's genius, you must see through the eyes of the desert itself. The desert attacks from every side, and the camel answers with perfection in every part of its body. When the desert throws sand into its eyes, the camel responds with 2 thick layers of long lashes, natural shields that block every grain. And if dust dares to enter, a thin third eyelid sweeps across like a transparent curtain, cleaning the eye without ever closing it. When the desert fills the air with dust, camel seals its nostrils tight like the door of a vault. Not a single grain can pass. But this nose is more than protection. It traps the moisture from every breath, so not even a drop of water is lost to the wind. Then the sand beneath burns like fire. The camel steps lightly with wide padded feet, natural cushions that spread its weight so it walks across the dunes as if on water. When hunger arrives, the hump becomes its silent answer. That mound is not filled with water, but with pure fat, a reserve of clean energy. It can live for weeks without food, and as the fat slowly melts, it cools the body from within, keeping it safe under the desert's brutal heat. And when the desert has no more weapons left, it whispers, "I will kill you with thirst." But here the camel's greatest miracle appears. It can drink more than 100 liters of water in under 10 minutes. Its red blood cells are not round like ours, they're oval. So they can flow easily even when the blood thickens from dehydration, and expand safely when the camel drinks again. A human would die losing just 15% of body water, but a camel can lose 40% and keep walking. The camel is not merely surviving the desert, it is the desert's answer to itself. Every part of its body solves a deadly problem. Every detail is a miracle of genetic engineering, a lesson in patience, endurance, and life where death was supposed to reign. The camel is creation's quiet masterpiece, simple, perfect, and divine in its design.